a beauty, just in, direct off the last owner. Lovely couple I've known for a number of years, bought lots of cars off them. They really know how to choose their cars. This is just absolutely outstanding. Love the colour of it. Starlight blue metallic. It really does make a statement. Many factory options on this vehicle. Little pocket rocket, 2 litre. Just look at it gleaming away. 190 brake horsepower, 7-speed automatic gearbox. A real beauty. Great fun to drive. It really is a fabulous fun car. Absolutely fantastic condition all the way around. It's 2018 on an 18 plate. So let's take you around it to show you how nice this car is. It is just absolutely outstanding. A lot of features you'll pick up on it. So for example, the rear lights, got the Union Jack on there. Just look at that colour. When the sunlight catches it, it is stunning. It really is. Good sized boot. Nice and clean. Got a cover there to protect the carpet. Split folding rear seats. Original carpet all there, all in great condition, not been abused. Additional storage there, massive storage under there. And below that you've got the toolkit compressor. Rear parking sensors. Mini Cooper automatic. Lovely twin exhaust there, gleaming away the chrome tailpipes. Rear privacy glass. It's got the black roof, the black mirror caps, the gloss black alloy wheels. All down the sides, all the bodywork is great. No major dents, scratches, scuffs or little dings anywhere. Fitted with matching Hankook tyres all the way around. All the wheels in great condition. None of these have been refurbished by us. That's how the cars come in. Good tyres all the way around. Upgrade LED headlights. And this is why we do a full HD video walk around. So it's almost like you walking around the car with us. Nothing is left to chance, full transparency. That's how we operate. And many customers buy cars purely on reading our raving fans reviews, our videos, our pictures and accurate description. Let's take you inside it. Again, many options inside, including the easy access to the back. Black leather upholstery with the Alcantara just on the edges there. Non-smoker's car, beautiful inside. The anthracite headlighting, which again was an option, again in great condition, no damage to that. Front sport seats, so you get those seats just nice and comfy under your legs, again in great condition. Centre armrest with storage. John Cooper Works sport steering wheel with a paddle shift gear change. Piano gloss black interior trim. Mileage of just 38,156. That's what it's done, 38,156. Full service history, which I'll show you shortly on the dashboard. No warning lights, all clear. Nice big clear screens for the satellite navigation on the media pack on there. Rear parking sensors. Zoom right into the map with the interactive map. change orientation, all nice and easy. That's the full menu, various options all the way around. DAB radio, great stereo system. Note the colour changes on the dashboard. Just scroll through the various radio stations. Of course, USB input. Get the stereo just how you want it, with the balance and the fade. Bluetooth phone connection. This tells you all the vehicle data itself, including the full service history. Check the engine oil level. Check the service requirements. As you can see, everything's all in green. So there's the service history: 2018, 2020, 22, 21, 22 and 23. All full clear. Again, just nice and easy to scroll through. Got dual zone climate control. Just do it individually on driver's or passenger side. Again, just note the colour of the dashboard when you turn that. Air conditioning, of course. This also has the heated front seats. 3 position on there. Got the drive modes with that. Sport. So you got mid or sport, all controlled from there. USB input. Of course, automatic gearbox. Start the gear lever, and you can drive it like a manual on there. Or of course the Tiptronic gear change on the gear lever itself. So that's the function there for all your dashboard configuration for stereo, sat nav, all the full menu, all controlled from there. As I mentioned, the centre armrest with the storage, again, which was an option. Cruise control with speed limiter, the paddle shift gear change. Various stereo controls there with the Bluetooth as well. Change your stations, change the volume, all at your fingertips, nice and easy. You can just see the glow behind the door handle there. Nice little feature with the ambient lighting. What a beauty, it really is a fabulous car. Great car, great condition, great fun car. So there we have it. Of course, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. All the spec is listed on the advert itself. Read about our fans reviews and see why customers come back to us time and time again and deal with us. Just like this couple, we make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Little attention to detail if you look at the mirrors. There's Union Jack, nicely done on the mirrors, and just by the indicators as well, if you see at the start of the video. So nice little touches on the vehicle to make it that individual. Part exchange always welcome. Great finance available. Check our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deal and apply direct off the website. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website, so 2 o'clock in the morning you fancied, just hit the button and reserve it. And remember our full money back guarantee. If you arrive and the car is not as described, we'll refund your money, no questions asked. Very simple, very easy. Further information on 01782 822 700. If you don't want to miss it, call us today. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.